and Jim Park, you're on deck. 3A, mat number 1. And on 1A, mat number 4, Dylan Dittler of Casino, and Brett Johnson of the Port Townsend Redskins in action.
It is so white. Thank you.
And Joe Keltheim and Dakota Scott, you're on deck. 1A, mat number 4. And a couple of changes over at 4A, looking at mat number 3. That's Russell Stevenson. The on-deck wrestlers, Peter St. Marie.
Let's go, Nate!
On 4A, mat number 2, in progress, Jordan Cullen of Olympia. And Connor Gleason of top 8. On deck 4A2, Justin Henry of Olympia. Mitch Steve of Emerald Ridge. And here in 2A, mat number 3, Juan Canales of Burlington Edison. Matches up with Jimmy Wilson of East Valley. On deck 2A, mat number 3, Brandon Jensen Lahalia. Brendan Casey Washumo. And here on girls, mat number 4. And 285, Chelsea Rockney of Fight. Wrestling right now with Laura Charbonneau of Stanley. And on girls, mat number 3, at 152, Madison Thackera. Battles with Randy Gregg. The on-deck wrestlers, Stephanie Simone